Boxy, here we come for April. Peace, love, and Boxy. Game on.
Ready?
Ah! Ooh la la. You guys don't even know. It's so awesome.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Okay.
Okay, so the first thing we have...
That looks so much bigger than yours. Yeah, I don't look so big. Anyway, hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Sweet Pink Home. I'm Elizabeth, and thanks so much for joining me. We are doing April's Boxy Charm review. Peace, love, and Boxy.
And we did kind of peek a little bit because we weren't planning on doing a video, but then we saw the packaging and it was too good to not make a video.
Yes, because there's a lot going on in my personal life right now, which makes it kind of hard for us to get together, and plus she's a teenager, and so it happens. But we decided to commit to one another and do this review together. And so, if you haven't already, like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And shout out to my Instagram at Elizabeth at Sweet Pink Home. So I'm there on Instagram. I'm not too active, but I'm working on that.
She always posts little snippets of her videos too, or pictures.
So, Boxy, here we come for April. Peace, love, and Boxy. Game on.
Ready?
Ah! Ooh la la. You guys don't even know. It's so awesome.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Okay,
so the first thing we have, I'm super excited about, it's like marble packaging.
so pretty.
It's Summer Haze Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder.
And
Loose highlighter.
And it's all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. That's awesome. I really like that, actually.
Okay, I can't freaking open it.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, sorry packaging.
Oh, you ripped a pretty little box.
It wasn't opening. Ooh. But definitely powder, which is kind of scary because powder can go everywhere, but it has a little stopper. That's
Trying to figure out how it works.
I don't know if you take it out or
It looks like you just, like,
twist it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Boom, there it is. And then it comes out like that. Here. The mystery remains.
Is this how you pause it?
Yeah.
So I finally managed to get it open. I had to take this little twisty thing out and then take off a little sticky piece that was covering it. And here's a swatch.
Yeah, that's really
Very
pretty.
reflective. You can't really see the color, but it's kind of got like an orangey gold tint.
And the retail value on that is $27.
I think the shade is Summer Haze.
Summer Haze?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think it is too.
Okay, you want to grab the next thing? While I close this?
Alright.
Wait, how much is it?
$27.
Okay, do you want to grab the next thing while I close this?
Do what?
Grab the next thing while I close this.
Yeah, I'll do the brushes.
Okay.
The next thing we have is Luxy, which we've had Luxy before, I think. Luxy, the Summer Days 3 brush set. So they're already talking about summer. So it's like a summer box. Let's see, and it says, go ahead.
A $28 set. And there's supposed to be a small contouring brush, a small shader brush, and a large shader brush.
Yeah, they're really soft.
The Luxy brushes usually are. And they have a nice little ombre to orange on the back.
Yeah, it's cool. So soft.
So, like, I think this is the contouring brush. This the small shader, and that's the big shader. And they're super soft, yeah.
So cute. All right, let's leave those out in
See
case
how
there's something
cute
in
the
the box.
packaging is, though? Like, there's this and then the freaking marble packaging.
Yeah,
And
isn't
then
that pretty?
there's Power Up Mascara by Butter London.
Ooh.
And it's a fat tube in the
Yeah.
shade Power Black.
And let's see. The retail value on that is $20, and it says for a full 8 hours.
Full 8 hours.
I want to
Also,
see this.
This is a very weird little applicator thingy because it's like,
Kind of prickly looking.
yeah, it's very spiky and pokey. But the
Yeah.
applicator is like,
All right, brush away, baby.
no, I'm gonna hope that the palette has a mirror.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So once we get to that, then I'll try that
Okay,
on.
we'll do this one next. Let's see.
Beauty for Real.
What is it? Is it a
Looks like an eyeliner. Yeah, it's Finish Line liquid eyeliner. But look, it has like checkers on it. It's so cute.
Yeah, the
The
packaging is really
good
cute.
this month. Except this is a little lame, but that's okay.
And what's the value on
The
this?
value is $16. And it's
$16.
24-hour mistake proof.
So you can have this for 8 hours. And how long?
24.
24. I want it. Game on. Game on.
Wait.
Beauty.
Yeah, 24 hours. Smudge proof and budge resistant.
I want to see this. I'm going to put it to the challenge page.
Alrighty. You got it?
I'm going to put it on. And in 24 hours, we're going to see if it really is its claim to fame. Because this is interesting. And it's sticking to my finger. There. That was not
Ooh, it's
a
kind
ghost or anything. That was just the packaging.
It's kind of a thick tip.
Oh, I like that. I like that a lot.
Yeah, you can do pretty thin lines. And then if you wanted to, you could do like thick.
Just check it out.
Here.
Friday on Instagram. I'm going to show you the
Update.
results of my quote-unquote smudge-free 24-hour claim to fame beauty for real eyeliner.
Shut it all the way?
Game on.
Did you shut it all the way?
Hmm?
Shut it all the way? Okay.
Obviously,
Then-
somebody does not have their ears on. Like, literally, I wear hearing aids, and sometimes I don't put them on.
Okay. And the piece there's a song.
Oh my gosh! Take it out! You're driving me nuts.
And it's so pretty, so summery.
It's
And
still
the back
sticking to my
is
finger.
super fun looking. It's Pure Festival 12-piece press pigment palette. That's a lot of P's.
And guess how much this one is? Oh, it's got a shimmery one too. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited.
It's got a lot
I'm
of
so
shimmers, it looks
excited.
like. How much
I'm
is
going
it,
to
though?
use that and this together with the mascara. Full look, full look. The only thing we're no, we don't have any lipstick. So I'll figure something out.
Oh, they have a little sample of Get a Grip primer from Pure Cosmetics.
And I don't wear all that primer stuff, so that's not part of my beauty routine.
It does. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
They're
wow.
like chunky glitters.
Diva.
Chunky.
Like, you can go to the...
Chunky.
Wow. You can go to the mines
Mm.
with that gold, man. That's a lot of chunk.
There's only like 4 mattes, these 3, and then the pink. And then the rest are shimmers.
And I think the retail value on this one is $36. I think I already said that, but oh well. 24K Magic is the gold color. I think that's appropriate.
It's just glitter. Like it's straight glitter. Ooh.
Wow. Wow. You take your little scrunchie off so we can actually see it. Wow, that's
blinding.
wow.
And I'm gonna try the purple shade too because
What colors do you wear with that kind of gold?
you could do bronze little, or like a natural little smoky eye and pop some gold in here, pop it on the eyelid. Or if you wanted to go crazy, you could put it under your lash line.
Crazy.
And then there's the purple
Let's see this.
gypsy. I'm excited
Oh,
about
and
that
that's
one. I
not-
love purples.
What is it that you say that it is all the time, like powdery or whatever?
Pigmented.
Yeah, is it pigmented? It's not as like powdery like.
Yeah.
Like most of them are. Good job, Boxy, this month. We're proud.
There's a little bit of fallout if you put it on the brushy.
Fallout, that's what you call it. But that's better than some of them.
Mhm. Oh yeah, definitely.
Give you an A++ this month, Boxy, with all the lovely packaging and the awesome products.
Now let me put this mascara
And if you guys
on.
don't know what Boxycharm is, it's basically like a subscription where they put makeup in and you get to try it on. And you don't know what it is unless you check out the spoilers. But like us, we like to be surprised.
I try to avoid the spoilers.
But it's well worth it. How much do we pay for it?
$21.
Yeah, $21 and you get this lovely makeup. And usually what we do is we split it. Like, do you want this? Do you want this? And that sort of thing. So,
I mean, it's definitely making them darker.
I'm liking how the mascara's going on. You want to see her review?
The shape of it's pretty nice. But the thing is, my eyelashes are not curled,
Oh, wow.
so they're gonna be pointed straight down, guys. And it smells like mascara. It doesn't smell different. But yeah, it does have like a mirror.
Okay, show them your eyelashes.
But there's like a little bit of a difference, definitely, but not too much. Because my eyelashes are very straight.
Oh, look it. The checkers is actually on the eyeliner thing. That's cool. I thought it was just the packaging.
Yeah, this is very eye-oriented too,
Yeah.
so that's fun.
We're easily amused when it comes to eye makeup.
Yeah, we are.
Who isn't, though? It's fun. Paint yourself up like a clown. Make yourself look pretty. Go out on the town, that sort of thing.
Yeah, well, that was all. It was very summery themed, and I'm very happy about it.
Yay! Yes, Boxy, thumbs up, baby.
Honestly, this is really hard to pick a favorite because they're all so pretty.
Oh, sunglasses.
Yeah, they're sunglasses, and then they have like a reflection of, I don't know.
Palm trees and carnival.
Very
Look at
sweet.
that. Doesn't this make me look so pretty? Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed our review. And like I said, check out on Friday. Seriously, I'm going to show you guys if this holds true to what it says. And I'm going to put some of this on because it's so pretty. And you can't forget the big fat Power Up Mascara.
By Butterland.
No, and I am not sponsored, by the way. I just like to say stuff like that. Anyway, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this review. And if, like we said, if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I do videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Tuesdays mainly about intentional living and mom life. And Thursdays about fashion because it's something that I love to do. So, anyway, guys, yeah, check out my Instagram. Well, not Friday. It's going to be actually Wednesday because I'm going to release this video on Tuesday. But check out my Instagram on Wednesday to see if this all stayed on, well, this particularly stayed on like it says it would. So, anyway, guys, I hope you have a great week and be blessed. I will see you on Thursday. Bye.